My name is Bo Johnston. I'm an adult student in the HVAC course.
My name is Steve LaForge. I'm a student in the class.
I'm Philip Price, and I go to Venice High School, and I'm in grade 12.
I'm Frank Diaz, and I'm the Chief Instructor for HVAC and Refrigeration at Suncoast Technical College. I've been working most of my life. However, I've been a teacher going on 8 years now, 5 years at Suncoast Technical College.
I took this class because it's a trade that is going to be around for a long time, and it's not going to be able to be automated away in the future.
I like that we do a lot of hands-on and get out in the field and up-to-date training.
I love the hands-on and how many field trips we do, and the instructor, he's really good. He always is giving a bunch of information. He's always out in the shop helping and everything, and he makes sure everybody knows what to do and everybody's safe. So
he's a real intelligent individual. He instills a lot of good things in the students here. It's not really groupthink. He likes to encourage people to think on their own.
With the knowledge that I have and the shortage of workers we have coming up, I know that it's going to require people. So before I retired, I figured I would pass my knowledge on to the younger crowd coming up to make sure that I'm safe and comfortable as I begin to retire and move on.
I think that schools like this, trade schools, should push classes like this for future students, high school students especially, because of the automation in the world right now is taking so many jobs, and especially in the next 10 to 15 years, more than half retail jobs, driving jobs, they're going to be taken over by automation, and jobs like this cannot be automated, and people should be looking forward to getting in employment and jobs in this area.
if you're looking to go into the AC field after school, you should definitely come take this class because it'll prep you for the field.